When it comes to increasing the value of your home, many homeowners focus on large renovations like kitchen upgrades or adding extra rooms. However, one often overlooked yet effective improvement is replacing the doors in your home. In Silver Spring, where real estate is competitive and home values are constantly evolving, a simple door replacement can yield significant returns on investment. Whether it's your front door, back door, or interior doors, upgrading these essential features can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Curb appeal and first impressions. The front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice when they approach your home. A worn-out or outdated front door can detract from the overall look of your property, making it seem less inviting and reducing its curb appeal. On the other hand, a new, stylish front door can serve as a statement piece, instantly boosting your home's exterior appearance. In Silver Spring, homes with an inviting first impression tend to attract more attention, and potential buyers are more likely to envision themselves living there. Whether you choose a sleek modern design, a classic wooden finish, or a decorative door with intricate glasswork, replacing your front door can significantly enhance the visual impact of your home. Energy efficiency benefit. In addition to aesthetics, energy efficiency is a key consideration for many homeowners, especially in regions like Silver Spring, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year. Old doors, particularly those made from outdated materials, can allow drafts to enter your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This can result in higher heating and cooling costs, which may concern potential buyers when it comes time to negotiate a sale. By replacing your doors with energy-efficient options, such as insulated steel or fiberglass doors, you can help reduce energy loss. These materials provide better insulation, ensuring your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This not only reduces utility bills but also makes your home more attractive to energy-conscious buyers, increasing its overall marketability and value. Security and safety improvement. Another key factor that door replacements can improve is the security of your home. Older doors, particularly those with weak or outdated locks, are more susceptible to break-ins. In Silver Spring, where home safety is a concern for many residents, investing in modern, secure doors can provide peace of mind. Upgrading to a door with a robust frame, reinforced locks, and modern security features will make your home safer and more secure. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for a property that offers enhanced safety, making a door replacement a valuable investment. Increased property value and return on investment. Replacing doors may seem like a small investment, but it can provide a high return on investment (ROI). According to various home improvement studies, replacing a front door can offer an ROI of up to 75% to 100% of the cost, depending on the materials and quality chosen. Buyers in Silver Spring, who often value both form and function, will appreciate the added benefits of a new door, from aesthetics to energy efficiency. Furthermore, homes that feature modern, well-maintained doors are perceived as better-kept properties overall, which can lead to higher offers when it comes time to sell. The simple act of replacing your doors can result in a noticeable increase in home value. helping you maximize the potential sale price of your home. Conclusion. In conclusion, door replacement is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to increase your home's value in Silver Spring. By improving curb appeal, enhancing energy efficiency, boosting security, and providing a great return on investment, replacing your doors is an upgrade that yields long-term benefits. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and secure living space, replacing your doors can make a lasting impact. Consider working with a professional contractor to choose the right doors for your home and ensure a successful upgrade that elevates both style and value.